Alright, I just quickly wanted to go over one of the things we had to address when using this GG&G light and sling mount. The magazine tube cap was wanting to work loose under recoil eventually, so we wanted to add a little set screw here. We're going to include the little wrench for you. You're just going to, before you do any maintenance, cleaning, disassembly, go ahead and remove that set screw. We did modify it to basically act sort of like a set screw, and then the magazine tube cap will come off then. It is under spring pressure, so just use caution, wear eye protection when unscrewing this, and then that will come off and allow you to remove your barrel, do your cleaning, and then when reassembling, you're just gonna thread it back on until you see the two holes align, just like that. And then we do recommend using some blue Loctite on this screw as well. We're going to make sure we Loctite it for you, maybe, and give you some as well. And then all you're going to do, just using the short end of the wrench, just tighten this back down and just get it snug. It doesn't need a lot of torque. Just enough on that short end of the wrench there is all you need, and should work loose for you. Thanks, take care.